How to merge two Canva projects. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can merge two Canva projects. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open one of your project in Canva. Now to add another project, navigate to the project section from the menu bar on your left hand side, click on projects. Now from your saved projects in Canva, select the one that you would like to merge with your current project. For example, I have a picture right here or a video that I want to add on this, or you could also add some other projects. So for now, I will just add this resume I have here. Click on it. And here you have options whether you want to replace your current piece or add a new piece. Since we want to merge, so click on add a new piece. And there you go. Now you have both of your projects merged into a single project. Now you can share or you can download this project. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.